Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Hacks channel. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can use this nail cutter. So basically we have all of at the home the same one. So this one is like a simple nail cutter one. So you can actually, I'm gonna tell you how you can use it. So the first thing is so it could come in this state, so in this position. So what you have to do, you have to move the lever a little bit to the right side or to the left side. It's up to you, wherever from where you want to use it. And after this, what you have to do is lift this lever to the upward position, and it will go to the like this. So when it's like this, so you just need to rotate it to any direction. So by rotating to any direction, you will see it's ready to use now. So the next thing is, if you don't know how to use it, I'm gonna just use my nail here and I'm gonna press it from the other side. So from here, if you see, it will start cutting. So the front side of it is a like sharp knife thing, if you can see into the camera. So yeah, this is basically the sharp knife thing in the front of the camera. If you want to dismantle it, it's a very simple. If you want to carry with you somewhere or anywhere, so you can see, you have to just press it in which normal position used. So press it and take the pin out. So this is fully dismantled. Like this, you can use this for your daily uses or for you cutting your nails. Hope you love my video. Stay tuned for the new video. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.